Hey everybody, TJ here from RainPilot. You know, we're out here in Florida enjoying this beautiful day. You know, had a huge driveway to clean today. I thought that this driveway was going to take like 4 hours, but with this new machine that I got from Sunbelt Rentals, this Mackinac, I was able to knock this out in just under 3 hours. It was 3,000 square feet total of driveway, sidewalk, pavers, and anything else that you can think of that I cleaned. Did a really good job for the people. They really liked the service. I brought my son out there today, you know, Oakley. Oakley is 12. I'm trying to get the kids more involved with the family business, but you know what? It was a good day. This driveway came out really, really nice. I'm going to make several videos showing what we did. If you need some help here in the Central Florida market, please reach out to me. I'd love to clean your house or your driveway or fix up your yard. 407-720-0680. Enjoy the rest of this video.